from public failure, marriage restoration, business loss, a stroke, and rebuilding from scratch, and discovering true peace through faith. The key is to move beyond the events and uncover what was really happening internally. And you'll find out how he did that. Carlos is an international keynote and TEDx speaker that helps entrepreneurs and business executives avoid burnout and to find success on their terms. He has, in addition to speaking and his corporate roles and being an entrepreneur in several ventures, he has written 2 books called Driving Demand and The Un-American Dream, which can both be found on Amazon. You can also follow him on X at CA Hidalgo, Hidalgo, or on LinkedIn. And I know when you hear his story, you're going to want to know Carlos. Let's get started.